Nokia. Don't forget to subscribe DKK Mobile Solution. So I'm going to show you Nokia phones. You see, this is a Itel battery, and Nokia phone cannot use this battery. It is not well with Nokia phone. So if we put insert, you can see test mode. Yeah, let us try to open. You see, test mode. It cannot open Nokia. It write test mode. So the problem is you will connect UPSI. So here is a positive, here is a UPSI, here is a negative. When the battery is connected like this is a positive UPSI, this is a negative side. So you have to connect UPSI plus negative. Let us measure. Easy. It is not direct. Let me connect again. You see. So let us connect UPSI you see multimeter is beeping now. We have connected the UPSI plus negative. You see, you hear the voice. Yeah, so our phone is well and good now. Let me try to reopen. You see, our phone now is working perfectly. Don't forget to subscribe DKK Mobile Solution. Thanks for watching.